Hello everyone, welcome to Vijay tutorial. Today we are going to do exercise 8.2 of lesson comparing quantity. The first question. A man got a 10% increase in his salary. If his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, find his original salary. This is the question. Here in this question what they are telling, a man got a 10% in his salary. Means that he has already getting some salary. There is an increase of 10% of his original salary. So we can take that one. Original salary is how much? That is the 100% salary. On that salary there is an increase. Okay. So we will take original salary. Can take like that, original salary be 100%. Okay, so increased percent. How much is increased? Increased salary percentage is 10%. So now how much is his salary? So we can say that is percent salary. Percent salary. Increased means what? Increase means added. Increase means there is an increase. That is addition is happening in that one. That is original salary plus is increased percentage also getting as a new salary. So original salary is how much? That is 100%. So we will write 100. Then increase means we will add that one. How much is increased? 10% is increased. So currently he is getting 110% salary. Okay, clear? So in this question again we will read, if his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, that is present salary means that is his new salary. New salary percentage is 110% we got. That one here is they are given. If his new salary is how much? Rupees 1,54,000. We can write like that. New salary is 1,54,000. That means that 110% is 1,54,000. Clear? Then now we have to find the original salary. So original salary. How to find the original salary? We already have 110% salary. This one, this is in the percent, this is in the amount. We have to find the original salary. What is in the 100%? It is 110%. We know that we have to find 100%. So what we know? 110%. So we can write like that. 110% is how much? Is 110% is 1,54,000. Clear? Then what we have to find? What we have to find will come here only on the right side. What you have to find? That is original salary. That is 100%. What is the 100%? Now we will easily cancel this one. 0 and 0. Clear? Okay. Then here 1,54,000 into 10 is 10. We can divide with 11. Okay, we will divide with 11. Here 1,54,000. 15,40,000 divided by 11. 1 time 11, that is 4. 4, that is 11. 4s are 44. There's how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 0. We will write here 1, 2, 3, 4 0. This much 0 we will write here. So his original salary is 1,40,000 rupees. Okay. His original salary is rupees 1,40,000. Clear? What is given? That one we have to be takers. That is, here we find that 1 lakh, that is 1,54,000 is his new salary. That is 110%. So we will write 110 be 1,54,000. Then 100 is how much? That is the statement. Okay, clear? I think all of you clear with this. first question. The second question is, on Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, it is on Monday, only 169 people went. Here is, on Sunday, 845 people went. On Monday, 169 people went. What is a percentage decrease? What is a percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? Okay, that one we have to find. So, we will write here, what is the statement for 845 people? Number of people visited on Sunday, that is 845. Then for 169, number of people visited on Monday, that is 169. Means that there is a decrease. There is a decrease in visiting the people on Monday. Okay, what is the decrease? That is, we can find that here how decrease means we should take a subtraction. So, decreased people. Decreased people is how much? 845 minus 169. Then 15 minus 9 is how much? That is 6. Then 3 minus 6 is possible? No, it is here only 3. So, we will borrow from here. So, 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Here is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. That is 676 people is decreased. Okay, so what we have to find? Percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday. Decreased percentage we have to find. Okay, so we will take decreased percent. How to find the decreased percent? Decreased percentage can be found by decrease divided by original value into 100. Okay, if you have to find the increased percent, how we can write it? Increase divided by the original value into 100. Okay, clear? That one also you have to keep it in the mind. So here now we have the old value. Decrease. How much is decrease? That is 676. Original value is how much? Original means people visited on Sunday. That is the old one. That is the original value. 845. So we have to find the percentage. So we will write 100. So now we can cancel this with the 5 table. 1 times 5, there is remainder 34. So 6 5s are 30. Then 45. 4 5 9s are 45. Clear? Then here is 5 2s are 10. Here is 1 0. Okay. Then here is 169 and 676. So how much it will become? That one we will check with the 676. So in the 9's table it is coming any 6. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 12. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. So we will try with the 4. 169 into 4. 9 4s are 36. Remainder is 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3. 27. Remainder is 2. Then 4 1s are 4 plus 2. That is 6. So we will got 676. So how many times? Here is 1. Here is 4 times. So 4 into 20. That is 4 2s are 8. 0. So how much percentage is decrease? That is 80%. In this question there is one equation is there. You have to by heart that one. How to find the decrease percentage? Decrease percentage can be found by decrease by original value into 100. If you have to find increased percentage, how we will write it? Increased percentage can be found by increase divided by original value into 100. That one also you should memorize. Okay, this is only one thing you have to keep it in your mind. Then I think all of you clear with this question number 2. Question number 3. A shopkeeper buy 80 articles for rupees 2400. Here is 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sell them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. That one we have to find it. Okay, clear? Here a shopkeeper buy 80 articles for rupees 2400. Buy means that is a cost price. So we can write a cost price of 80 articles. Price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2400. Then what they are telling, sell them for a profit of 16%. This are given in percentage. Look at here, this is given in the percentage, that is 16% profit. This is the original price and it is sold at a 16% profit. Profit means there is an increase. We should add that one. Okay, so original price, that is the cost price, can be taken as how much percentage? That is 100%. Why? From this price there is an increase. Okay, so cost price of 80 article is rupees 2400. That is 100% is 2400. So now what is the profit percentage? Here given profit percentage is equal to 16%. So how much will be the selling price? We have to find a selling price. Selling price means cost price plus profit. Okay, clear? So cost price is how much? That is 100% is here. So how much is a profit percent? That is 16%. So now how much is the selling price? 100 plus 16, that is 116%. Okay, selling price be 116%. Now we have to find how much is the 116%. Okay, clear? Now we know that we have to find 116%. So we already given. We have to find how we will find this one. Here 100, that is a selling price. 100% is how much? That is 2400. Like that you have to read. 100% is 2400. Then how much is 116%? Like that. Okay, clear? One more time. So 100% is 2400. Then 116% is how much? Okay, that one we have to follow. Here, then otherwise you can form a equation also. That is 2400 is what? Cost price. Cost price divided by 100 into 116 means that is 100 plus what? Profit percentage. Okay, so here is cost price divided by 100 into 100 plus profit percent, that is 116. That equation also you can follow that one. Otherwise you can memorize like that. If 100% is how much? That is 2400. Then how much is 116%? Okay, clear? Now we can easily cancel 0, 0. Then here is one more 0. Here is also one more 0. Then 24 into 116. That we will multiply here. 116 into 24. Then 6 4s are 24. Remainder 2, 6, 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 1s are 4. Then 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1, 2 1s are 2. Plus 1 is 3. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 4, 8, 7, 2. That is how much? 116% is 2784. Is this one we have to find? No. So again we will consider this question. Find the selling price of one article. This is how much article? This is the selling price of 80 articles. This is one a cost price of 80 articles. So we find the selling price of only 80 articles. Now we have to find the selling price of one article. So we will write therefore selling price of one article. As so much is given, we have to find only one. What we will do? We should divide, that is 2000. What is the total selling price? That is 2784 divided by number of article, that is 80. Okay, clear? Now we can find this one. Here we can cancel with the 2 tables. Here 2 40. Then 1 time 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1, 18, 2 9s are 18, then 2 2s are 4. Again we can cancel with the 2 table, 20. Here 2 6 are 12, it is 19. So 2 9s are 18, 1 is remainder, so it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Again we can cancel with the 2 only, then 10. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remainder, that is 16. So 2 8s are 16. Look at here. Here is 348 divided by 10. So if we have to divide with a number by 10, we first of all write the answer. Then how much decimal point we can put? Only one decimal point. That is, cost of one article is rupees 34.8. I think all of you clear. This one, if you didn't understand this one, you can follow this equation. What is this one? Cost price divided by 100 into 100 plus profit percentage. That one only here also we written. That is 100 percentage is how much? 2400. Then we will find 116 only. Okay. Now we will do the question number 5. The question is, a VCR and a TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. 8,000 each. This one you have to consider separately. Each means VCR also 8,000, then TV also 8,000. Together it will become 8,000 plus 8,000, that is 16,000. The shopkeeper made a loss of 4%. Loss of 4% on VCR and a profit of 8% on TV. Find the gain or loss percentage of the whole transaction. From the whole transaction we have to find, is it gain or loss. Okay, we will write here. So cost price, separately we will write cost price of VCR is how much? 8,000. Then cost price of TV also 8,000. Okay, clear. So total cost price, that is VCR plus TV, that is 16,000. That one you will clear. Okay. So what they are telling, the shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR and profit of 8% on VCR. Then the shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR. That is loss of 4% on VCR. That is loss happened. VCR is how much? That is 8,000. This is the 100%. Okay, cost price, original price is 100%. This also 100% of cost price of TV. So loss is happen means when it is selling time 100, how much percent? That is 4% is decrease, minus 4. Now it is 96% is it's a selling price. Okay, this is 96% is a selling price. Now what about the TV? TV profit has happened. Profit, how much profit? That is 8% on TV. Profit means we should add. Before is 100%. Now what will happen? Plus how much? 8. So 108% is a selling price percentage of the TV. Okay. Now we will separately we have to find what is that? Selling price of VCR and a TV. So we will write here selling price of VCR. How to find that? Here 100% is how much? 100 is 8,000. Okay, then we have to find how much? 96%. So we will write here, we have to find 96%. So clear. Then 0, 0, here also 0, here also 0. We will multiply 96 into 8. 6 8s are 48, remainder 4, 8 9s are 72 plus 4 is 76. Here is 1 0, so we'll put. So currently 7,680 is the selling price of VCR. Okay, clear? Now here, then here is selling price of TV, like that also. Again, that is 100, that is cost price. 100% is cost price. That is how much? That is 8,000. Now what about its profit or loss? TV is on profit. That is 108. We will find 108 only. Okay, clear? That is 100 is 8,000, 100% is 8,000. Then what is 108? Okay, clear? So here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Again 1, 0, 1, 0. So 108 into 80. So 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 6. So 6, 8. So 864. Here is 1, 0. So it is the selling price. Otherwise you can write like that also. What is the cost price divided by 100? In the case of loss, what you have to write? Into 100 minus loss percentage. Okay, so selling price can be find out when the case of loss. This equation you can follow. It is cost price divided by 100 into 100 minus 4%. In the case of profit, what is the equation? It is 100. 100 is a cost price. About this, that is in the amount you can write. That is cost price divided by 100 into then 100 plus profit percentage. This is the equation. Okay, like that also this equation here. The same, right, in the form of this 100% is how much? That is 8,000. Then what about this profit? 100A plus profit. 100A plus profit is 8%. So 100A plus 8, that is 108 only. Either you can follow this equation or you can think about this way. Okay, clear? Now we got the selling price of separately. So we will find the total selling price, that is 7,680 plus 8,640. This is the total selling price. 0, that's 12, remainder 1. 12 plus 1 is 13, remainder 1, that is 16. 16,320 is the total selling price. We have to find what? Find the gain or loss percentage on the whole transaction. So how to find the whole transaction gain or loss percentage? Percentage of profit we already know. First of all, we will think about it. This is the selling price. What is the cost? Total cost price? We already find that. That is total cost price is 16,000. Which one is greater? Selling price or cost price? Selling price is greater. That means we got a profit. Profit, how to find a selling price minus cost price? That is selling price is 16,320 minus cost price, that is 16,000. That is profit is 320. Now we have to find the profit percentage. How to find the profit percentage? Profit percentage. That one also one equation. You have to memorize that one. Profit divided by cost price into 100. That is a profit percentage. If there is a loss percentage is coming, how to find the loss percentage? Loss divided by cost price into 100. Same. In the case of profit, we will write profit divided by cost price. In the case of loss, we will write loss divided by the cost price. Okay. So what is a profit? 320 is a profit. So we will write here 320 divided by cost price. Cost price is how much? 16,000. Then 100. 2 zeros are here. Here also 2 0. Then here is 1 0. We can cancel this one. 16 ones are 16. Then 16 2s are 32. So profit percentage is 2%. Clear? You can by heart these two equations. Profit percentage, how to find a profit percentage and how to find a loss percentage. How to calculate the selling price. This is the equation. Selling price calculation. This is the equation. In the case of loss, you have to follow this equation. In the case of profit, you can follow this equation. Okay. So otherwise you will be in confusion with memorizing this equation. You can follow this. This both are same. What I did it, both are same. So without remembering this equation, we can write like that. Thinking only 100% is coming. What is 100 is coming down. What is 100%? That is the original price. That will coming. Then what we have to find? That is 96%. Okay, that one only coming there. That is the only things you have to memorize. Otherwise, you can follow this two equation. But anyway, you have to remember this and this equation also. I think all of you clear with this exercise 2.2, this much question. Now we can wind up the section. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. See you in the next session.